In Planary, I can easily create new scenarios and design options, allowing me to explore, compare, and present alternatives quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. To create a new scenario, I'll go to the Project tab, click the plus icon, and select Duplicate. This generates a copy of my project, where I can modify parameters and preferences. At any time, I can switch between scenarios, compare them, delete, or save the one I prefer. I can also duplicate an option with a new set of filled regions. By selecting Duplicate with filled regions, Planary will create a project copy and generate a new set of filled regions in a chosen Revit view. This allows me to explore and compare design options with updated geometry. In Planary, I can switch between perspective and orthographic views, and also save and manage camera positions. To save a new camera position, I'll click Save View, name my view, and save it. If I need to delete or rename a saved camera, I'll go to Manage, make the necessary changes, and click OK. At any time, I can reset my camera to its default position. Thanks for watching.